When a transformer arrives on site, various procedures should be carried out to assure successful operation. ITIS is a company that masters the procedures, and we do all very successfully. The instructions mentioned in the manufacturer manual or in standards must be followed to ensure safety to personnel and equipment. After the successful transport of the transformer, the first step is an inspection of the transformer and equipment after delivery. The transport of the whole transformer is not possible. Because of that, the main body of the transformer travels without the auxiliary equipment. Then we proceed to the assembly of the transformer parts. Every additional part has a strict order of mounting. Some of the equipment that needs to be mounted are the wheels of the transformer, cooling radiators, cooling fans and pumps, the conservator and the pipework. The bushing are the most delicate equipment and they take the longest time for mounting. Most of the cases the transformer oil is not filled in the transformer, so, after the mounting of the auxiliary equipment, there are some additional filings of the transformer with transformer oil. The first step is vacuuming of the transformer. Filling the transformer must be done under vacuum with vacuum oil treatment device. For that purpose, ITIS has a special oil treatment machine, managed by very professional and trained staff. Oil should be filtered with the vacuum oil treatment device by simple oil circulation. The total quantity of oil must circulate 3 times through the vacuum oil treatment device. After the transformer has been filled with oil and it was inactive for a day, it should be vented. Every step of the assembly procedure is very strict and valuable. Owing to that, ITIS pursues the method names to perfection. A dedicated and valuable team prevents the flaws and ensures the success. We are committed to achieve the perfection.